What's going on, guys? And on today's episode of the Repair Lab, I'm going to be showing you how to use an OBD2 scanner on your vehicle to see what the codes are if you have a check engine light. So if your vehicle has a light on that looks like this one, or this one, then this may be the right video for you. So the first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to come over here and get inside of your vehicle. Now that we're inside our vehicle, we're going to take our key and we're going to put it into the ignition. And we're going to put it on ACC mode by doing that. Now that our vehicle's in ACC mode, we're going to come down here and we're going to look for the port for our OBD2, which is right there. Now that we've found our OBD2 port, we're going to take our scan tool right here and we're going to plug it in. Now that our scan tool is on, we're going to come over here and we're going to select diagnose. Now we're going to read the codes. And look at that, our code is P0325. It's a generic code and it's for a NOx sensor. It's NOx sensor 1, circuit bank 1, or the single sensor. So now that we know what's wrong with our vehicle, we can go ahead and we can replace that sensor. But before we do that, we're going to erase the code. And you do that by coming over here to erase codes, clicking it, pressing OK, making sure the ignition is on but the engine is off, which ours is. So we're good to go. So we're going to press OK. And that's it. The codes have been cleared. So now with the codes cleared, we're going to unplug our OBD2 scanner. We're going to turn off our vehicle completely and remove the key. And before we lock up the vehicle for the day, we're going to start it to ensure the check engine light is gone. Looks like it's gone. So now that the check engine light is off, we're going to wait and see if it comes back on before we go ahead and order our sensor. But other than that, we're good to turn off our vehicle and lock it up. So I showed you how to check and scan your car's codes if you have a check engine light. And this applies to vehicles post 1996. If you would like to see a video going more in depth on how to work an OBD2 scanner, please comment below. If you learned anything in this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that little bell for notifications on future videos. My name's Greg with the Repair Lab, and have a great rest of your day.